Even though the city says these measures will keep people safe downtown, Alabama's top doctor doesn't like what he is seeing. NBC 15's Rachel Wilkerson learned Dr. Scott Harris says we may see the opposite effect.
There's nothing magic about it being a parade format versus, milling around in the street together without a parade format.
Alabama's health officer Dr. Scott Harris says Mobile is risking another spread of COVID-19 transmission with its decision to allow people to gather downtown for Mardi Gras.
Every activity can probably be made safer, but not every activity is safe.
Carnival season is a big moneymaker for downtown bars and restaurants. Mayor Sandy Stimpson says when people come downtown Tuesday, safety restrictions will still apply.
For people that are really concerned about their health, they just shouldn't come, So we're not trying to promote and say this is going to be, a huge street party.
If it does turn out to be a huge party scene, there is a plan. Last week, NBC 15's Andrea Ramey pressed Public Safety Director James Barber about that plan.
Is the city prepared to step in and shut down a big street party if it just becomes too massive, the crowds?
Well, we'll have an on-scene commander here, so we'll be monitoring the size of the crowd. And I told you earlier that we're ready to expand and try to accommodate, if we have to close government and move into the south, into Spanish Plaza area, to try to accommodate the size of the crowd. But if they begin to really condense and cause a problem or, say, throw in from balconies and stuff, you could see some police action to break that type of activity up.
Dr. Harris says the state is nearing the light at the end of the tunnel and reminding people to mask up.
We're so close to being through with this. It doesn't feel like we're close. We're still a few months away, and that's a long time away. But, we have a path forward now with vaccination, and yet we really still already have all the tools that we need at our disposal to put an end to the pandemic. It just involves our own behavior. It's staying home when you can.
In Mobile, Rachel Wilkerson, NBC 15 News.